out. So to start, you're going to need some Primo Cadmium Red, some Primo Cadmium Yellow, and some Primo Orange. Just place them together the same way you would any Skinner blend, and then put that through the pasta machine. Okay, and you should end up with a Skinner blend. So now what you want to do is you want to fold that in half, like so, and then run it through a pasta machine lengthwise. Okay, and you should end up with something like this. So then you're going to take that and you're going to fold it. Okay, and then once you've got it folded, just press that all together so that you make a nice solid piece. And I want you to take that and I want you to cut it in half like so, and then place the two pieces together like so. Then use a roller to just flatten that out like so. Okay, then we're going to pick that up, put that to the side for the moment, bring over a stamp, and I'm going to be using this cool roller stamp that is available on my Etsy shop. Drop some water on it, and this is going to act as a release. So just rub that in so that it's in those gaps. Then once you've done that, bring over your clay, press that in. And I like to just place a sponge over the top and then I will press like that. It prevents your fingers from getting stuck on the clay. Okay, and there we go. So we'll flip that. Press down on the panel so that it sticks to the tile. That's quite important. And lift. Like so. And if you sprayed enough water, it should not stick in the texture. Next step is going to be to put some paint onto the surface. And we're going to cover the piece in that paint. Now the reason we are doing this is because I want to shave the erased texture to reveal the Skinner blend underneath, but the rest I want to be black. So just paint the entire surface black. Okay. Then trim away the excess around the edges once the paint has dried, like so. Then use a sharp, thin tissue blade to very slowly begin to shave. Then I want you to burnish that flat. Okay. Then just take a square cutter, press, and you've got your piece. Okay, then something I do like to do, because this is already fairly organic, is I'm just going to take my cutter and I'm just going to press it along these edges to kind of get this weird edge. Don't press too hard, but you do want to reveal some of that undercolor, like so. Then pick that up and put that into the oven for a full hour at Primo's recommended temperature. And here it is out of the oven. So I have painted the back as well to make it look nice and neat, and I'm going to leave the edges the way they are. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring over some Renaissance wax, and I'm just going to take a bit of that and just give me a moment to actually get a bit. Okay. And I'm just going to rub that over the surface. I don't want a huge amount. This is just to really seal in the paint. It's not supposed to give a gloss. I am not going to be buffing this. I just want it to seal in that paint. So I'm just going to rub it. And I might bring over a cloth to give a gentle buff as well. Okay. Now I'm not going to buff very hard. This is just to seal that wax in. And this will leave it with a nice matte finish. If you want a shiny finish, you can always just buff it with a buffing wheel and it will give it a light shine. But there we go. So you can see it does have a light shine to it, but it's still very organic. Okay, now we're going to move on to drilling. Okay, and I'm just going to use an automatic push drill for this. Very easy, and I tend to drill from the back because it's easier for me to get the hole in the middle, because the image tends to distract me and means that I won't get the hole in the middle. Then I have got jump ring here, just open that up, and I also have a ready-made cord off to the side ready to go. Let me just bring that over. There we go. Let me just close that jump ring properly. Okay. Twist that around so it's in the hole. And there we go, all done. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.